Hi, so I wanted to go over how to do this number 15 from 10.3. And really, where it's going to come down to is you're going to be using this theorem right here, the equidistant chords theorem, where you're going to figure out that these are equal, and you're eventually going to have to draw in the radius to solve for what the radius is. So that's this example right here is really useful for that. But I'm going to go ahead and just do it anyways on paper. So number 15, what I did was I drew it out on paper so I can write on this. So this is number 15. I think I drew it accurately where this is 16, this is 16, which means these two pieces right here are congruent. Okay, so the fact that these are both chords and they're both 16, based on that theorem, since these are chords and they're both 16, that would mean that these two lengths right here are congruent. So when you set these equal to each other, that's going to help you solve for x, and then we'll be able to figure out what the radius is. So we're going to start here. So the whole reason why they told you these two were both 16 is since these two chords are congruent, that means these two pieces are equal. So since these two are congruent, you're going to make this equal to this. So that's where you start. I hope this thing doesn't freak out on me. And I hope you guys can hear me okay. So you're going to start with 4x plus 3 is equal to 7x minus 6. And you're going to solve for that, figure out x. So I'm going to minus 4x. 3 equals 3x minus 6. I'm going to add 6 to both sides. That's 9 is equal to 3x. Then when you divide both sides by 3, you get 3 equals x. So I think most people can get that far, but the question here was to find the radius. So going back to my picture, the radius is this part right here. That's the radius. But what we have here is a right triangle, right? Here's the right triangle. Right, where this is 90 right here, that's 90, so this is 90. And since this whole chord right here is 16, that means each little side right here is 8 and 8. It's right in the middle. So this is 8. So I'm going to go ahead and just redraw this triangle down here. So what I have is this right triangle, just to make it easier on myself, where this is the radius, right? I'm just copying this down here. This is 8. This is 90 degrees right here. And this length right here, it's this right here. It's 4x plus 3, but we know x is 3. So I'm going to replace it right here. So it's 4 times 3 plus 3. I don't know why I wrote a line. So that's 12 plus 3. So that's 15. So that tells you this length right here is 15, and this length right here is 15, if we did the math right. Right, that's 21 and 6. Yeah, that's 15. So okay, we did that right. That's both correct. So these lengths are 15. So this is 15, that's 15. So that's telling you this right here is 15. Now it's just the Pythagorean theorem. I'm sorry if it's a little noisy over here. Shh. Okay, so I hope that helped.